painting little houses. Yay! For the last two competitions with painting the unicorns and painting rainbows, Bella won. But let's see if this time I can do better and win the competition. Oh, that's gonna be tricky. Now we're gonna start painting. I'm gonna paint the sun yellow. She's making them so pretty. She's adding the cheeks are pink, the eyes are yellow, the sun's yellow. I'm adding the cheeks are yellow and the eyes are yellow. Yours is pretty too. Hooray! Okay, I kind of put too much blue paint, so now I'm dabbing a little bit of it off. Good, now it looks like I didn't even put blue paint. Wondering if I should make like what everything is in nature, like green trees, green plants, yellow suns, blue skies. I think I'm actually gonna do it that way. Me too. Even though it'd be fun to make red trees, green sky, blue bushes, pink sun, we still are gonna do it what it is in nature. Oh yeah. My really good. Even better. What happened? Sweaty hands. Awesome. I really want to win this competition, but I also want to think outside the box. That means experiment with different colors and use your imagination.
Awesome.
So on one side, I'll do what real nature's like, and on the other side, I'll do my imagination.
Hooray!
Yeah. And that will also be fun because me and Bella both imagine it to be different ways, so we get to see what each other was thinking. You know what? I think I'm going to do the same thing because making both sides the same colors are boring. So I'm going to make them both different, like Sophie. I'm going to add more blue. If only I had a thicker brush. This area would be easier for a wider brush because it has more to paint. Yeah. I'm so tired of all that green they use in the real nature picture. In my imagination picture, I'm gonna make all that stuff they make green, pink. Yeah, I'm probably gonna add a little, maybe yellow. Because I don't want to make it exactly the same as hers. Yeah. She's painted so much and I haven't even gone halfway. I have a problem. I'm almost out of pink. I actually am almost out of pink too. What do we do? We can substitute purple for pink. Yeah. That's why you should always save your leftover paint. You'll never know when you need it. I like it so far. I'm starting the last side, my imagination side, I should say. Better win for this one because we don't have any more challenges like this. Oh, she's so worried about winning that I think she should win already. I'm done already, and while Bella's finishing up, let me show you the LOLs. So here This little baby LOL is named Baby Boo. Then this is Lavender. And this is Sparkle. This is all Sparkle's accessories. Some shoes, a piece of cloth that I found out of nowhere, a cape, a thing, and a hairbrush. Here are Lavender's things. A purse. She's wearing her headphones. She's wearing her big earrings. She has her tape recorder. Then these are Sparkle's sunglasses. And these are Lavender's sunglasses. And this is where we keep all of Sparkle's accessories. And this is where we keep all of Lavender's accessories. Now here is Lavender's sweater and another mannequin and her white shirt. And here is her French hat and a pair of shoes. Now we're going to move on to Baby Boo's stuff. This is Baby Boo's bottle, and this is Baby Boo's headband. When Baby Boo plays hide and seek, this is what she does. Then her mom looks for her, and she finds her head in here, and she screams. Baby Boo's fine again, and her mom stops screaming. And now comes the moment of truth. Drum roll. And the winner is? Who's the winner? I can't listen.
This one's very pretty, but so is this. That one's very pretty, but so is that one. Can you turn them around?
Okay. Oh, no.
Let me see the imaginary sides. Oh, they're all so beautiful. It's so hard to make a decision when they're so beautiful.
I want to hear.
Let me see.
Calm down.
Well, it's very hard to make a decision. I think this is going to be a win for Sophie. This was very, very, very close. All right?
She almost made it a tie.
Yeah. I just had to pick one or the other. Otherwise, it could have been a tie because they're so beautiful, both of them. And you did such a great job. All right? The reason why Sophie won over Bella is because Bella forgot to paint a tiny little part of the grass on one side.
Uh-oh.
And otherwise, it would have been a tie.
Oh no, I forgot to do this piece of grass.